Okay, hey everybody, we back vlogging. We haven't vlogged in a while. We getting ready to go into Home Depot. We chasing deals today, trying to get some of these deals for this Memorial Day weekend. So that's what we getting ready to do. Oh, shucks. Yep, so let's go. Yeah. Hopefully we can find what we're looking for. I came across this deal on Bounty paper towels, so I'm ready to go in here and see if we can find it. As you see, Home Depot. Whew, man. Hopefully. What they up here doing? Oh, they giving free hot dogs away. I don't eat hot dogs. That's the deal. 8 rows. Yeah, but see, that's the coupon. Yeah, that she had. Bummer. But it's on these. Eight rows equal 15. Okay. Pass on that. Because it's a good deal, because these rows is $10 for like 6 huge rows equals 15 smaller rows. But the young lady that posted the deal, she was able to get this one, the 8 equal 20 rows, plus use the coupon that's on the inside of the packaging, which made it come to $7 up. But can't get that here. So I think we are going to pass on this deal. Okay, on to the next one. I forgot to mention, they have another sale on paint for this weekend. 1 gallon is $5. The big bucket is like $25. So we're gonna look for some paint. Hopefully we can find something that we like. But we will see. It's kind of crowded in the store. It's on this paint right here.
I was looking up the left up.
Why would you look at that? You will, I mean, come on now. It's the same price. Actually, it's more. 1 gallon is $9. The 5 gallon is $30 on the Oops paint, but you can get the color you want for $25. So that's the paint. We're gonna try to figure it out. What colors? Yeah. What?
Yeah, it did. 209.
Really? Okay. Damon always sidetracked every time. Now we at Walmart. And like I said, y'all, this vlog is all about me chasing these deals. We going in here for one of those portable speakers that I seen on clearance. They supposed to have 22, but I got a funny feeling. There ain't gonna be no 22. I hope it is, so I could get one. But if not, then we're gonna be on our way to Sam's. So here we go. I got what I was getting. Whatever. Okay. The speaker was a bust. We're gonna go to another Walmart. Hopefully they have it. What thing? If it don't, you bring it back. So, yeah. We're going to do that. We're going to go to a different one because they didn't have the speakers. They actually had a different model. So, yeah, we found some sync cables super, super cheap, which is what I need because the one I have has a shortage in them. So, yeah. We're gonna do that. Then of course I guess this lady think we up to no good. You go to a store and you're shopping like most people do, and just because you're in an area too long, they always seem to think you're stealing. Like ain't nobody got no money. Why is it that every time you go to the store, it's a rush? You know, which is crazy as hell to me. That's one reason why I don't really like Walmart, because they always on that bullshit every time I come here. Never ever fails. So, all because I'm trying to find a deal that we can't find. But that's just how it be. Oh my gosh. So, we'll get on to the next one. Hey y'all. Hey. This is Kim. Oh, it's hot in this car. I hope my daggone air ain't messing up. But I'm on my way to, and I don't know how I'm gonna mix these little vlogs together, because this is like a couple of days after that other clip. But man, it's so hot in here. What is going on with my air? Oh my God. Yeah, you know, I was looking, I think that was like Saturday or Sunday. I was actually looking for a couple of deals that I didn't find, but I came across some more awesome deals. It was a deal at Office Depot for some toilet paper, Charmin toilet paper, and Bounty paper towels that, you know, I was able to get. So I did that deal, and also another deal came up on Dawn dishwashing liquid, and I did that deal. That's why I'm on my way to pick up those items. I got a funny feeling that I might not get this deal because it was a price error. They marked the big bottles, the 75-ounce bottles, for $1.50. So, and the regular price is like $10. So I ordered four bottles last night, and so now I'm going to pick them up. But I got a funny feeling that they swapped them out for the 7-ounce bottles. So if that's the case, I'm just gonna return them. You know, I'm just gonna just return the bottles and just chuck that up as a loss. As y'all see, I have this little brace on my wrist, on my hand, because my wrist has been bothering me for about a month. So I decided to put my watch on my other wrist, which I never do. I've never worn my watch on this arm, on my right arm. It feels really weird, but I'm gonna do it because I really need to wear this brace on my hand. I actually need to find a different one, because it's actually my wrist and my thumb is what's hurting. So yeah, I need to do that. So I'm gonna probably go to, I don't know if I want to, really? I don't know if I want to get one from Target, because I'm assuming they're going to be a little bit expensive, but that's where I'm headed to. I'm headed to Target to pick up this deal. I'm in Target. This is the only one they have. I'm actually looking for one for wrist and thumb, so I'm not sure if I'm just going to have to buy it. I don't know. I don't see nothing. Shoot, and this thing $20. Jeez. Too expensive for me. I don't have anything. So I guess I'm gonna have to get it from Walgreens. The update. Now, I went up to the register to pick up my order, and when she brought the order out, it was the small bottles, the 7-ounce bottles, not the 75-ounce bottles. So I just canceled my order because I'm not gonna pay no $1.50 for the small bottles of dishwashing liquid. I'm not gonna pay that. That's way too high, when I know I could get bottles for $0.25 or 50 cents. So that mission was a fail. Now, I do believe if I would have came last night, I probably could have got the deal. But as we all know, yesterday was Memorial Day, and no. I was drinking. I had a couple of lemon drops, and I was not getting ready to drive. So I just took my chance and went today, and of course it was a failed mission, but no loss. They already canceled the order. The money wasn't taken, so it is what it is. You get some deals and some deals you don't. On to the next one. What am I gonna do? I'm on summer break, yay. What me and Damon been doing is we've been hitting up a lot of thrift stores, and we've been finding some really, really good deals. And I said I was gonna make a video on it, showing like some of my thrift store hauls or purchases, but I just haven't done that yet. If you seen my other video, you seen the sewing machine that I got for like $20, which wasn't bad. I think at that particular thrift store we went to, they were a little bit on the high side because we had bought some more stuff from there, and their prices was a little bit expensive in my opinion. So I think this summer, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start doing garage sales, thrift stores, and what I'm gonna do is resell some of the stuff. I'm gonna look it up, see if it's worth anything. If I can make a really good profit off the stuff, then I think that's gonna be my mission. Or if I'm shaking up the camera, I'm sorry, that's gonna be my mission or my goal for the summer. I feel like today to jump the subject, I feel like today I'm dressed very grandma-ish or very mom-ish. I really don't like this shirt that I have on, but I probably shouldn't say that because I got it as a Christmas gift. But I hardly ever wear it, so today I decided to wear it, and I'm feeling very grandma-ish. And I'm taking my shoe off. I have on my Huaraches, Nike Huarache tennis shoes. These, if you are a walker, if you walk for exercise, Huaraches is, in my opinion, the best walking shoe. They're comfortable, they're lightweight. You can barely feel yourself walking in these shoes because they're so lightweight. They're really, really comfortable. And I just normally often, most of the time, I wear them with like a shoe liner or a sock liner or a foot liner. I don't even know what they call these things, but I normally wear them with these little things, you know, so you can't see, you know, your sock or whatever. So I normally wear them with this. Same thing I wear with my Chucks, my Converses, whatever you call them. I normally wear a sock, a foot liner. Yeah, these shoes are super comfortable. But in my opinion, I feel like if you could fit a kid's size, like me, I'm a size 8, and I could fit 6 or 6.5 in kids, but which is what this is, I recommend just getting the women's. I don't recommend getting the kid version of this shoe because I feel like it kind of stretches them out instead of it fitting. I don't like the fit of these shoes. That's why I don't really wear them. Like I said, they're comfortable, but I don't like the way my foot actually look in them. My foot looks like I'm stretching the shoe, like it's like almost like it's too little, which it's not. So that's why I don't wear these. I said I'm gonna buy another pair, just in the women's size. I know a lot of people probably think these shoes are ugly. If you're not into tennis shoes, you probably think they're ugly. But these shoes, I think, is the most comfortable shoes that I own. Very lightweight, very comfortable. If you on your feet all day, you constantly walking, this is the shoe you should get. A Nike Huarache. And they're not real expensive either. Yeah. So now I think where am I finna go? I wanted to go to this consignment shop because I'm looking for another LongChamp bag. I found one at a thrift store for a super good price. I found a LongChamp tote. I insert a picture because some people don't know what it is, but they normally retail for like 140. They're not a very expensive purse, but in the luxury community, a lot of people carry these. A lot of people kind of classify them as a luxury bag. But I found one at the thrift store for $2. I could not believe it. Found it for $2. It's not the actual one that I want. I personally I wanted one to put on my shoulder. This one I have is a top handle one, and it's like a Speedy 30 size. It's a nice size bag, but it's a top handle, and I really don't like that. I like it because I found it for $2, so I most definitely would carry it, but I really want a shoulder bag, and I actually bought one for my daughter for her birthday. So that's really what I'm looking for at the thrift store, and they actually sell them on Poshmark for like $50, but no, I'm looking for another deal. A $2 deal is what I'm looking for. So, and it is an authentic LongChamp bag because I looked it up, and yeah, it's authentic bag. So yeah, I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'll get ready to get a lot more vlogs because like I said, I'm off for the summer. So y'all already know my money be tight during the summer months, so it's not going to be any hair videos. It's not going to be any major big hauls. You know, if I do a haul, it's probably going to be like a grocery store haul or something like that. Crossing my fingers that I'm able to take Damon. His birthday is actually Saturday, June 1st. Wish him happy birthday in the comments, y'all. He'll be 8 on June 1st, and I'm crossing my fingers that I could take him to the Nickelodeon Slime Fest in Chicago. I really want to take him. So yeah, look for hopefully a video from that. And then Damani graduate on June 1st. So yeah, we got, you know, she already had prom. I didn't even put up the vlog of her prom. So she already did prom. Now June 1st she graduate, and then that following weekend, which will be June 8th for Slime Fest. So yeah, I really want to take them to that. So stay tuned for those videos to come. Yeah, so let me get going and figure out what I'm getting ready to do. If I haven't said this yet, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom, check out some of my other videos, click the notification bell, all of that stuff.